Hi all, myself Trisha, working as an assistant professor in SNS College of Technology. Here we are discussing about software project management, fifth semester, the unit 5 staffing in software project. We are already discussed about communication plans. So next is leadership. Our today's topic is leadership. So just go through the mind map. This is a whole the thing about software project management. So next is the mind map. We already discussed about mind map of software project management. This is the whole concept about software project management. What are the life cycles and effect of process project stepwise project management and etc. So today we are discussing about the part leadership. Okay, leadership, the value of communication. We already discussed what is the communication plan. It's everything is the connection between team members, project manager, all the persons who are connected with a project. Okay, so leadership is an action, which means the one who are collected all the members or going moving the project with the combine all the things. Okay, that is the leadership. So leadership and communication, setting the tone, promoting transparency, empowering the team, managing conflict, adapting to change. Setting the tone, leaders should model effective communication behaviors such as active listening, clear and concise messaging, and respectful dialogues. Then, promoting transparency. Leaders should foster a culture of transparency where information is shared openly and honestly. Next is empowering the team. Leaders should empower team members to communicate effectively and take ownership of their communication responsibilities. The next is managing conflict. Leaders should be skilled at managing conflict and facilitating constructive dialogue among stakeholders. The next is adapting to change. Leaders should be flexible and adaptable, adjusting the communication plan as needed to respond to changing project circumstances. These are the main points. These are the main functions of a leadership, or what the leadership quality is based on this: setting the tone, promoting transparency, empowering the team, managing conflict, adapting to change. So stakeholders are the um, leader. Okay, actions, objective, employees, suppliers, unions. This is these the collectively known as stakeholders. Action is what are the actions are doing by a person, depend on the project. Then objective, when we start a project, first of all we have to create a objective how to do a project. Then who are the project workers? That are employees. A person work for a project or for money, so who are known as employees. Then suppliers, after the product, after the project we get a product or service, then we will to supply for the supply for market by through the suppliers. Then unions. So, communication challenges: the ever changing situation, miscommunication, different working hours, different languages, poorly organized communication, and lack of documentation, lack of commitment and teamwork. These are the main communication challenges of a leadership. So, the leader is every all the every time touching with their team members, not there any lack of communication. That is the main thing. The that is the main problem for a project distraction. Okay, so hope all of you understand the communication challenges. Then, lack of clarity. Despite careful planning, communication challenges can still arise. Common challenges include the other than some Challenges are lack of clarity, information overload, communication barriers, resistance to change, lack of feedback. The leader need to take a feedback every time or every stages of a project. So, hope all of you understand about the topic doing the assessment. These are the reference. Thank you.